The line or British line was a small English unit of length, variously reckoned as 1/10th, 1/12th, 1/16th, or 1/40th of an inch. It was not included among the units authorized as the British Imperial system in 1824. Size. The line was not recognised by any statute of the English Parliament but was usually understood as 1/4 of a barleycorn, which itself was recognised by statute as 1/3 of an inch but often reckoned as 1/4 of an inch instead. The line was eventually decimalised as 1/10th of an inch, without recourse to barleycorns. The button trade used the term, redefined as 1/40th of an inch. In use. Botanists formerly used the units to measure the size of plant parts. Linnaeus's Philosophiae Botanica includes the linear in its summary of units of measurements, defining it as linea una mensura paritione. Stearns gives its length as 2.25 mm. Even after metrication, British botanists continued to employ tools with gradations marked as linear. The British line is approx. 2.1 mm and the Paris line approx. 2.3 mm. Gunsmiths and armament companies also employed the line, in part owing to the importance of the German and Russian arms industries. These are now given in terms of millimeters, but the seemingly arbitrary 7.62 mm caliber was originally understood as a 3-line caliber. The 12.7 mm caliber used by the M2 Browning machine gun was similarly a 5-line caliber. Foreign units. Other similar small units called lines include the Russian linear, 1/10th of the diame, which had been set precisely equal to an English inch by Peter the Great. The French line or Paris line, 1/12th of the French inch and about 1.06 L. The Portuguese linear, 1/12th of the Portuguese inch or 12 points, or 2.29 mm. The German linear was usually 1/12th of the German inch but sometimes also 1/10th German inch.